So like we just said, we just checked the first one, IJK. IJK is 1 arc, 2 arc, 3 arc. DBC is 1 arc, 2 arc, 3 arc. So that works, right? Now, let me show you. Now, is it going to be A on your quiz today? I don't think so. I'm not going to give you the same exact quiz. It's going to be similar. So you probably want to make sure you check all your answer choices. Let's see if let's look at B. Let's just see if B works. Is everyone looking up here? KIJ is 3, 1, 2. And then CBD is 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Those don't match up. It can't be B. Do you see how order matters? It has to perfectly match up. Okay? So will you, on your quiz, be able to match things up perfectly, right? Now, next thing. It labeled something for me. If 2 arcs is 53 on this triangle, what should I put for 2 arcs on this triangle? 53. I highly suggest that you label stuff, okay? So, if that's 53 over there, that's 53 right there. If 3 arcs is 79, 3 arcs should be 79. Now, I got a missing angle. What do they always add up to inside of a triangle? 180. So I'm going to take 79 and 53, add them up. And then take that away from 180. And I get 48. So that means each of these other 1 arcs is 48. Now, if you label everything, first of all, then this is going to be super easy. Angle J is what? 53. Angle D is 48. Angle I, 48. So again, if you label everything in your triangle today, then this will be not too bad. Everyone knows how to find the missing angle though, right? They add up to 180. There's a back. So after we finish this, I'm going to show you more. Okay, now off to the right here. Now this is what we learned the last 2 days. Okay, there are 5 theorems we know: side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, and HL. There is one combination of A's and S's that we don't want to write. The word that's a booty, the ASS word. We're not going to write ASS unless it's a right triangle. What do you call that if it's a right triangle ASS? That's HL. Okay, so HL is the special one, and it's in your notes that you might have gotten. Okay, hypotenuse leg. No. So HL. Now the other one you can't use ASS, bad word, and you can't use AAA. Those two are no. You can't use them. If it's either of those, you put none. Okay. Just remember, the booty word only works for a right triangle, and you write HL instead. Okay. Now look at these. Tick mark means side or angle. It's a side, and what does that mean? Side. What does that mean? So that's S, S, S. It matches on both triangles, so the whole triangle is congruent. Side, side, side. All right. Number 6. Now an arc, what's that? Angle, the second angle, and then a side. So it's angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. See how the side is not between them? So angle, angle, side is AAS. That one's fine. Angle, angle, side is A-OK. Last one here. Side, arc is an angle, tick marks is a side. And you could start from the left. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So SAS. Sorry if I'm in your way over there. But, does everyone see how that works? You see what's labeled, go in order around the edge. Okay? If that was all your quiz, how would y'all get 100, I hope? Okay, now, on the back of it, it's a little more complicated. You don't have to write this down, but let me explain it to you real quick, okay? This was on your assignment, stuff like this. Is everyone looking? You cannot do this right unless you label it. So let me show you how to label things. Ready? Is that an angle or a side right here? Does everyone see that little angle sign? Right? That means I'm going to put arcs on G and I. So here's G, here's I. You got to label it. There's blank triangles. You'll never know unless you label it, right? Okay, now H and J, are those angles or segments? Angles. So I'm going to put 2 arcs on H and J. Now this means what? These are segments. These are sides. So now I'm going to put the tick marks on GH, so between GH and between IJ. Now I can do it, right? So FGH, first of all, in order. FGH is what? KIJ, that's the first thing you do. Now when it says by, that's where you're going to put side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side. One of those. So what is this? Angle, side, angle. ASA. So after the word by is where you're putting the theorem, one of those 5. All right, number 9. Segment or angle? It's a segment. Oh, by the way, this is supposed to be an R right here. My bad. So MN, tick mark. QR, tick mark. Next thing, is that a segment or an angle? Segment. So NP, 2 tick marks. SR, 2 tick marks. And then angle N and angle R, put arcs. Angle N, angle R. All right, so MNP. Now M goes towards the 1 arc, so Q goes towards the 1 arc. QRS. So what is this? Side, angle, side. By the way, there's songs we learn, that's why. You know. Sure. Down over here, DF and CB. DF, CB. Angle D, angle C. Angle D, angle C. Angle E, angle A. Angle E, angle A. So EDF is 1 arc, 2 arc, nothing. So 1 arc, 2 arc, nothing is ACB. Now by what? So this is angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. AAS. Okay, so again, that's review for the quiz today. It's just like that, very similar to that, not exactly the same. So please be careful, it's not exactly the same. But if you can do all that, you should be good for today, okay? So I do want you to clear up your desk except for something to write with, calculator. No phones out, so go ahead and, if you want to listen to music, put it away, but play it, but put it away, okay?